if a consumer if a consumer notifies a debt collector in writing that the consumer refuses to pay a debt, or that the consumer wishes the debt collector to cease further communication with the consumer, the debt collector shall not communicate further with the consumer with respect to such debt.
So you hear some gurus online say, don't pay debt collectors, don't pay debt collectors. This is the law that supports don't pay a debt collector. When you put in a cease and desist, right, or a refusal to pay, a debt collector can only respond to you in one of three ways. If it's not any of these ways, it is a violation of that law, and you can sue that debt collector for violating that law.
Wow.
So there's things called statute of limitations.
Exactly.
There's things called resetting the cycle or starting the time over again. There's things called time bar debt. So they could do it before, but there's a new law now for debt collection, right? A debt collector cannot park any alleged debt on a consumer's consumer report without first getting in contact with the consumer to whom this alleged debt is related to. That's a no-go, right? So there's a 14-day period. If a debt collector sends out a notice for debt validation or something of that nature, and the consumer does not challenge the debt within that given time, assuming that debt is valid doesn't mean that it's valid. But why let it get there?